Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nupur and today we have with us Shubhangi. She is a nutritionist and her special interest is nutrogenomics. Many of us are looking for weight loss solutions for different reasons. In different age groups, there are different criteria. You must have tried so many diets, and sometimes you end up being sad that this does not work for me. For some, it is fat diet, for some, it is maybe keto diet, MG diet. There are so many diets that are offered to you by various nutritionists, and so many people who are close to you, you have seen that despite eating less, despite changing the pattern of eating, sometimes the diet doesn't work. So, we are here with you to talk about DNA based diet, which is basically based on your genes. And this science is called nutrogenomics. So, we have with us Shubhangi, who is a nutrogenomic counselor specializing in nutrition. So, she has both qualities together that will help you in your weight loss journey. So, coming back to the topic, Shubhangi, can you tell us what is nutrogenomics?
Hi, Dr. Nupur. Nutrigenomics is an upcoming field right now that uses genetic testing to determine the correlation between a person's genes, nutrition, and health. So, this information is used to pinpoint the ideal diet for a person, and this concept is being used now to learn more and more about how genes and diet work together, and they might affect a person's health and risk of developing lifestyle disorders.
Yeah. So many times we have seen that whatever you may eat, even if you are eating fat, it converts to carbohydrate. If you are eating carbohydrate, it is getting converted to more of cholesterol. And sometimes you see there is no correlation and we are not able to find a solution. So, coming back to uh, anyone who is looking for a weight loss solution, how will they know that their nutrigenomic testing is right for them? Should they go for it? How, what difference will it make?
So, for people who are stuck in their journey of weight loss, nutrigenomics is a wonder. It is a very good discovery, and it can shed light on issues that a simple health history that we take cannot. This includes everything from a tendency of heart disease to why you're not able to lose weight to why how you've tried everything and still you're stuck, at the point of at a point in your weight loss journey. Genomic testing truly is useful for anyone wanting to be proactive about their health. And examples of the usage of nutrigenomics could be wherein we correct the nutritional, patterns for obesity, for coronary heart diseases, hypertension, and diabetes, especially type 1.
So, yes, so it is focusing on so many lifestyle disorders for which we are not able to find a solution. So, yes, this is the in thing. In India, also nowadays and abroad, lot of people are getting tested to find solutions for their weight loss. So, how will anyone know that nutrigenomics or a DNA based diet? So, how do you plan the diet so that they are able to achieve their target weight in a desired time?
Okay, so if you've tried to lose weight using any means available, all kinds of diets that are in the market, and still have been hitting a wall, or if you just cannot match the right nutrition plan that is made for you and your specific weight goals, DNA tests will help you reveal why is that the problem. Every dietary intervention is a hit and trial method first. So if you ever go to a physician or a nutritionist or a dietitian, they would be trying certain things on you to in order to know what your body responds to better. For example, elimination diets. We check for what might work for your body and then go on and increase or decrease the portion or change the food type. Now, what happens is gene variants might predict that your body wouldn't benefit from a particular diet, like vegan diet, or wouldn't adapt well to, say, a keto diet due to genomic tendencies for fat metabolism. Hence, genomic testing can help explain why such situations exist for a patient and such as which style of eating might suit them the best, thus getting resolved faster and you achieving your target weight quicker than your normal weight loss journey.
So, how much is the minimum duration that they should go for if we are doing genomic testing?
At least 3 months, I would say. 3 months of lifestyle management, exercise management, and supplementation management is required in order to see fairly good results.
Okay. And also, if they are able to achieve their target weight, it will actually help them in many ways. Not only control of diabetes, hypertension, but many other illnesses which are related to means extra weight gain, which can be in the form of maybe cancer. Cancer has a direct correlation with high BMI. So yes,
Yes.
this is going to help many people if they are able to go to the right person and get themselves testing. So, what is your opinion regarding that? Has the nutrition changed after genomic testing has come into vogue?
When we ask about how is the future of nutrition, definitely nutrigenomics is the future of nutrition because you'll be better able to predict the tendencies that you can later on develop in the body. You can manage them at a better level and earlier stage only, rather than just delaying it and responding to the symptoms of a particular disease. Prevention is always better. Everyone's body is different, and it is true to the genetic level. So it has been very clear to us since very long that we do not all respond the same way to the same diets. Some people do really well on a keto diet or say a high fat diet. Others develop high triglycerides or cholesterol on the same diet. Some people lose more weight when they reduce the carbohydrates in their diet, but other people lose more weight when they increase the complex carbohydrates and reduce the fat. So nutrigenomics can help you help such people overcome their health obstacles that other approaches cannot. The more personalized our approach will be using nutrigenomics, the better will be the outcome. So if these differences are genetic, we could skip some of the trial and error and zero in on the best approach for each unique individual based on their DNA.
Yeah. So thank you, Shubhangi. And we have also solutions for women who have PCOD and issues related to being not able to lose weight and also fertility issues sometimes. We all know that genomics is being used in so many other fields in medicine, in medical research, and also in detecting the risk of cancer in this lifetime or maybe in the next generation. But coming into nutrition is a big thing, and I think we should all take advantage of this. In our next video, we will come up with how it can help PCOS or PCOS girls and women, how it can help women who are planning conception or who are suffering from infertility. So, what are the solutions? We will come back to you with Shubhangi. Till then, you can comment, like, or share our video and get back to us in case of any help needed with the following numbers and emails in the Dropbox and share with us your weight loss journey. Thank you.
Thank you.